Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, sir. I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great to hear. I noticed you've been working hard to improve your English skills. How's that going?
It's been a bit challenging, but I'm trying my best.
That's the spirit, Sarah. Learning a new language can be tough, but with dedication and practice, you can definitely improve. Do you have any specific areas you're struggling with?
Well, I find it difficult to remember new vocabulary words and grammar rules.
Oh, I see. Vocabulary and grammar are important parts of learning English. Have you tried using flashcards or mnemonic devices to help remember new words?
No, I haven't. What are flashcards?
Flashcards are small cards with a word or phrase written on one side and its meaning or definition on the other side. You can use them to quiz yourself on new words and review them regularly to reinforce your memory.
That sounds helpful. I'll give it a try. What about grammar?
For grammar, it's important to understand the basic rules and then practice using them in sentences. You can also try reading English books or articles to see how grammar is used in context.
One of my friends has advised me to read newspaper and highlight the words whose meaning I want to know and then check it in translation. In this way, I can improve my vocabulary.
Yes, this is also very nice. Keep reading English newspaper and read those news in which you are interested so that you will have the interest in it and you can read it for a long. This will also help in understanding the sentence structure.
Okay, I'll start practicing more grammar exercises. Thank you for the advice, sir.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Try to practice a little bit every day, and you'll see improvement over time.
I will, sir. Thank you again for your help.
Anytime, Sarah. Keep up the good work, and don't hesitate to ask if you need any more assistance.
I will. Have a great day, sir.
You too, Sarah. Don't forget to miss the extra class. It's very important for the exam point of view.
Sure, I have already this in my mind. I'll come in time. Bye.
Okay, bye.